Welcome, my friend, to another episode of Money Back Mindfulness. I'm your host, Mamoon. It's a joy to connect with you across time and space. So happy that you would join me today. If you're feeling some pain inside your heart, chaos inside the mind, frustrations with circumstance, people not coming through, loneliness, depression, numbness, anger, perhaps even joyfulness. Know that you're not alone, not on an island, but deeply interconnected with this human experience. So many people around the world that can relate to the same insecurities, worries, hopes, and dreams. That being said, we're going to take some deep breaths, look in, see if we can come back to trust in the unfolding of our lives, to have some love for our unique path, getting comfortable, getting in a nice seated position where you can be aware of your posture, dropping the shoulders away from your ears, relaxing your belly, relaxing your face. Listening with your heart. Dropping the shoulders, bringing a smile, smiling at the anxieties, smiling at the unpleasant emotions inside, knowing that these are coming and going. Taking a deep breath in. Breath out. Breathing in love for yourself. Exhaling love for others. Remembering that this life would be no good without other people. Cherishing the people in your life, even the difficult personalities. Breathing in patience. Exhale, letting go of anger. Breathing in compassion. And exhaling that compassion to yourself. Taking a full breath in. And a full breath out. And a full breath in. And exhale, letting go. Softening the face. Relaxing the hands and feet. With closed eyes, looking inside. Witnessing and welcoming all that you see. Looking inwards very gently, very lovingly. Breathing in slowly and softly. And exhale, letting go, releasing any tensions in the face. Pushing the belly outwards as you open your heart. Know that you're breathing, know that you're alive. Becoming aware of your presence. Taking a deep breath in. And exhale. Breathing in fully and completely. And exhale. Breathing in, feeling your belly, chest rise. And exhale, pushing the belly outwards. Inhaling slowly and softly. And exhale, even slower, even softer. If your mind has been wanting to think, now is the time to let your mind think. Taking a deep breath in, holding the breath at the top. And very slowly, very softly, exhale, let go. Very nice, my friend. Way to stay with it. So happy to have you here today. Becoming more aware of your posture, aware of your body, having love for your body and all that it does. Taking a deep breath in. And a deep breath out. The color for today is tan. The number is 3500. And the animal is a horse. Taking a deep breath in. And a deep breath out. Becoming aware, catching just a few seconds of presence, all your attention on being present for just a few moments. Thank you so much for joining me today across time and space. Sending you a big hug. I hope that this video was calming, helped soothe some of the chaos in the mind. Remember that you can always slow the mind down by taking deep breaths, relaxing your body with your awareness. Remember that you are the master, not the servant. And that you can use the mind and the body instead of being used by the mind and the body. And with that, I will see you back here tomorrow with love.